OOBE is an acronym for out-of-the-box experience in the subject of user experience. It refers to a customer's first impression while dealing with a product or service. It consists of the installation process, user onboarding, and the overall impression generated by a user on their first interactions. As a project manager, understanding OOBE is crucial because it sets the tone for user satisfaction and adoption. By prioritizing a successful OOBE, project managers can ensure that consumers have a seamless and delightful experience from the outset, increasing user engagement, retention, and overall product success. It also helps build an environment for long-term consumer relationships.